Good morning friends. Today we are going to discuss how indexing can be done in Numpy. Okay. Now for that I am going to write a code snippet for you. Import Numpy out np. Name of our variable is np. And I am creating an array equal np.arrange of 0, 10, that is numbers from 0 to 9. Okay. Now I am going to print this array. What is going to happen? You check what is going to create here. An array of 0 to 9 characters are included in the array, and it is called as array. Now I am going to return a variable of 8 elements from this array. We will check what is going to return. It is of 8 because 8 is the element of the 8th position with the index value of this array. That is why it is returned as 8. In this way we can return any element from this in the dimension array. Another way we can return a number of elements from this whole array can be done with the help of this slicing operator. Okay. Now I am going to retain index from starting value, that is 1. It is from the second element to which element I am going to retain is the fourth one, that is exclude of 5. Index value 1, 2, 3 and 4 values will be returned here. We will check what is going to happen here. It is retained 4 values from this ith array. In this way we can retain any number of elements using this slicing operator. This column is called a slicing operator in Python. And if I using this slicing operator in another way, say I am not giving any starting argument and giving only the ending argument. Okay. Then it will retain all the values from the array from starting to the stopping value 6 to 1. That is all the elements from 0th element to 5th element is retained here. I am going to check. Yes, it is retained all the elements from the starting value to the 5th value is retained here. Now if I am going to put this argument just like the 6th index to the end value empty here, what does it mean is it will return from the 6th position to the end of the array or the rest of the whole array is retained here. It is the return of 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 is the last element in the array. In this way we can return any element from the array. Okay. Now if I am putting a single column like just like this, it will return all the elements from the array. Now I think that you got an idea how to extract a number of elements from this array. And if I am going to broadcast some certain value in the array using array of 0 to 5, I am going to put a value of 0 to 5 with a constant value of 100. Okay. Now I am going to return this statement with the value of array, retaining the value of array. Now it is putting first 5 values with the constant value 100 numeric value, and the rest of the elements are the same. Okay. Now we can transmit elements at a time data transmit. Okay. Now I am going to do some other thing here. I am going to create a slice array because then I have to put the portion of the array with a variable, with the name of a variable. Okay. Slice array equal and defining what the slice of array slice of the array is defined as the array of elements from 0 to 6. That is, I am defining what the slice array, that's the name of the variable with the values of array from the position 0 to 5. That is, first 5 values are positional values of the slice array, and the slice array values of the slice array is determined as value of the slice array equals whole value of the slice array is determined as 99. Okay. Now what we are going to do, we will check what is going to happen. Printing the value of array. It is because first 5 values are filled with 99 and the rest of the elements are the same. Okay. In this way we can change any number of elements with a different value from the rest of the element. Okay. Now we are going to check what is going to happen in an array of copy equals. We are creating a new variable to copy an array, and then going with copy method to copy the elements from the one array to another array. Okay. Now array copy will be the exact copy of the original array value. We are going to check what is going to be the same. It is exact copy of the array. Okay, that is the array copy. Value of the array copy is the same as just like original array. Okay, now we are going to check what is going to happen in the two-dimensional array. Now it is what to define a two-dimensional array. We will check. Array 2D equals array 2D. That is a two-dimensional array. Np dot array of within parenthesis within square bracket. Okay. Since it is a two-dimensional array, we have to use double square bracket, in which I am giving the first element 5, 10, 15. Then I am putting a comma, then the first row is ended, and getting the second row 20, 25, 30. And the second row is ended here. I am putting a comma for the third row 35, 40, 45. Okay. Now the array is created. Now I am going to print what this array contains. Okay. It is written a multi-dimensional array. It is 3 rows and 3 columns. This is the row 1, this is the row 2, and this is the row 3. This is the column 1, this is the column 2, and this is the column 3. That is, this 2D array 2D is of 3 by 3 matrix. It is formed, and I am going to return a single element from here. Array 2D of 0, 0. That is 0th row and 0th column. The 0th row, this is the row 0th row, first row and second row. This is the 0th column, first column and second column. Okay. In this, if I am rotating 0th row, it will take this 0th row, and I am taking the value of 0th column, it will take this value. That is, it will return a single value 5. You check if it is, yeah, it is returning a single 5 value. Okay. Now, if we, in this way, we can return any value from two-dimensional array. If I am writing a statement just like array of 2D of 1, 1. If I am giving 1, 1, you check what is going to return. It is returning first row, that is, this is the first row because the first element is the first row, and the second number shows the column value. It is the column value. So it determines this value 24. It is written here. Okay. In this way, we can return any value using this type of index positioning. Okay. We can do this with a simple index positioning also. We can check how this can be done. If I am giving this statement just like array of in which first for the first row value I am giving the first row position is as null, and the second position as the row position of 2. That is first row, that is 0 to, it will return the result set with the 0 on first row, and for the column value I am giving here 1. That is column value I am giving here 1 as the argument, that is from the first column. See? What does it mean? It means that a result is getting here that is selecting the value. Everything up to row 2, that is the first argument tells that the second value is 2. That means that all the rows up to second row, and second argument shows that it is of 1. From 1 everything. That means everything from column 1. Once again I will tell you that if I am giving an argument just like, in order to return this value from this 2-dimensional array, first notation gives that the row indexing, for this row indexing, second value is given as 2, which means that all the rows up to 2, that means first row and the second row is inserted into this result set. And for the column value, it shows that the first argument is 1, that is from the first column, and the last argument is null, which means that everything, that is everything from the first column is written here. Okay. Now we will check what is going to happen here. It will return 3 values 20, 25 and 30. Okay. 20, 25 and 30. This is written here, because this is the second row, and from the first column everything. In the second row, from the first column, everything is written here. Okay. In this way, we can return any code using any code sequence. Any part of this 2-dimensional array can be returned. Okay. And now in this video, we have created 1-dimensional array and 2-dimensional array. How to index the value for this 2-dimensional array, and how you can slice in these types of arrays, and how to get these numbers from this array. Okay, I think that you got this idea in a clear manner, and you can practice it by yourself so that you can get more and more insights on this. Okay. Thank you for today, and we will come with a new video for the next day. Till then, bye.